After I take off the small branches growing on the trunk of my oak tree, they just come back. What can I do to stop the small branches from growing on the trunk of my oak tree from coming back again? And this is Alejandro on YouTube. So how about that? So they're growing on the trunk of the
side
tree.
of the tree. And that happens a lot. It's called epicormic growth. And you just cut them off, like he's doing. I don't know of anything that you can do to stop them, but I wish we had a picture.
Right.
Because I'd like to know how old the tree is within the size of the tree he's talking about that has this epicormic growth on it that keeps coming back. And I'd like to see what the condition the rest of the tree is in, because sometimes that epicormic growth is a result of some kind of stress on the top of the tree. And so I just would like to know a little bit more about what the tree looks like. But epicormic growth, you cannot stop. The tree is going to do that.
Right.
And so you just have to keep cutting it back. But do watch and see if there's some other stressor in the top of the tree that is causing the tree to feel like it needs to branch out lower on the trunk.
Right. I agree with that. So yeah, definitely some type of stress. Yeah, because it's trying to produce limbs. Yeah. So something is going on with the tree.
But trees do have epicormic growth, and you cut them off, but they usually don't grow back for a while.
Yeah.
In a normal, healthy tree.
Right.
So that's why I'm worried that there's some kind of stress going on if it keeps coming back, and he has to keep cutting it.
Right. So there you have it, Alejandro. Yeah, just keep cutting back.
Keep cutting it back.
Yeah, and assess the overall health of the tree.
Yeah, and you can always call somebody,
Right,
an
certified
arborist out,
Yeah,
and see if there's something else going on with the tree that he needs to address.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.